How to create an affiliate link on Awin. Go to the Awin website and log in to your publisher account. Open the Advertisers section from the main dashboard. Search for the brand or advertiser you want to promote. Apply to join their affiliate program if you are not already approved. Wait for the advertiser to approve your application. Go to the advertiser page after approval is complete. Open the Links and Tools section to create affiliate links. Select the type of link you want, such as text link or banner. Use the deep link generator if you want a custom product link. Paste the product page URL into the generator tool. Copy the unique affiliate link that is created for you. Share the link on your website, blog, email, or social media to earn commission. Thank you for watching.